Hello friends, welcome to part 2 on making of a cricket game with Wicket in Scratch. If you guys are new to this tutorial, please follow the part 1 first and come back here later. For rest of us, let's start. So last time we made the baseball or the ball sprite, and we also made the pictures animation, and next one we did is we also made the wicket. So let's see what we have done so far. If I click in the green flag, then the pitcher will pitch the ball, and if it hits the wicket, then we see the animation of wicket fall down. And today we are going to make the batsman sprite, and we'll make the animation of when the batsman hits the ball. The ball should go in some random place. So let's make that. Okay, first for that let's go to choose the sprite option, and we have got the battery sprite here. We just click it. So this is our battery sprite. Okay, first of all, let's go to the events menu. Let's drag a when green flag click block, and after that let's adjust its size. For that, let's go to the looks menu, and there is a set size block here. Drag it and attach it with the when green flag click block, and after that we will just make it 50%, and let's see what happens. We click in the green flag. Okay, the batter looks in suitable size for us. Now let's drag this batter near this place to here. Yeah, so be very careful while positioning the batter. Yeah, that's fine, I think. So let's go to the motions menu, and let's drag go to XY block like this. Now if the batter is misplaced somewhere else, then if we click on the green flag, it will get back in its initial position. And now let's make the bat swing hanging animation. So for that, we will go to the events menu first and drag a when space bar space key pressed block. So we are going to make the batter swing animation when we press the space key. After that, let's look at the costumes of the batter. So we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 costumes, and we will just change this costume one by one up to here for making the bat swinging animation. Okay, for that first of all, let's go to the looks menu and drag a switch costume block, and just join it below the go to XY block like this. And the first costume should be the batter A costume. So this is the default batter A costume that it should show at first always. That's why we put it with the green flag. And after that, if we hit the space key, we will change the costume. So for that, let's go to the looks menu and drag another switch costume below the and attach it below the when space key pressed block. And first of all, we'll switch the costume to batter B. After that, let's go to control menu and introduce our wet block and attach it here, and let's wait for 0.3 seconds only. Yeah, after that, let's just duplicate these two blocks like this, duplicate, and we have changed the costume to batter B. Next is to batter C, and the last one, let's again duplicate it, not this one, duplicate, yeah. And the last costume is batter D, and we don't need the weight block at the last. Now let's see if it swings the bat or not. I click in the green flag, yeah. I'm hitting the spacebar and it has swung the bat. Yeah. Now let's introduce some sound effect for bat swinging. Yeah. For that, let's go to the sounds menu and just go to choose a sound. Let's go to effects, and I would like this sound. Let's click it. Yeah. Let me just make it a little bit slower. Okay, that's good. I think high whoosh sound. Let's go to the sounds menu and drag a start high whoosh sound, and let's place it on the top like this, below the when space key pressed block, and let's just hear the sound effect. Yeah. Yeah, that looks good, also sounds good. And now the bat swinging animation is done, and now for the ball hitting animation. Yeah, for that let's go to the baseball sprite, and let's introduce another if block here. So right now we have if it is touching the wicket, then it will broadcast the wicket message, and we will introduce another if block here. So for that, let's go to control menu and drag a if block like this, and then let's go to the sensing menu and drag a touching color block here inside the if block, and let's pick the color. Click here, and let's pick the color of the bat, this one. Yeah, and if it touching if the ball is touching this color, then let's broadcast something. For that, let's go to the events menu and drag a broadcast block, and we will just create a new message called ball hit. Okay, yeah. So if the ball will be touching this color, the color of the bat, then it will broadcast ball hit message. And let's drag another block called the when I receive a message block inside here, and let's select ball hit message. So when this block broadcast the ball hit message, then this block is going to be executed. And when I receive the ball hit message, then what should we do? Let's drag this ball right now. So the ball needs to go from here to this edge. Yeah, for that let's look at the X position. The X position is -236, and now let's go in the motions block and drag a glide 1 second block like this, and attach it with the when I receive the ball hit block. And right now the X position is -236, and the Y position we will choose the random number from this position -170 to this position 168 or 170. Yeah, for that let's go to the operators menu and pick a random number block and place it inside the Y position like this, and let's write the number from -170 to 170 plus 170. Yeah, so now if the ball is hit by the bat, then it will glide to this edge and the Y position will be very random. And that's it. Let's see if something happens or not. Yeah, we are going to get a lot of bug, but let's see what happens right now. I click in the green flag, then look, the ball hasn't been hit, but something has happened. Let's see again. Yeah, it's doing something. Then what it might be doing? Okay, let's look at the battery sprite and let's look at its costume. So if we look at the costume of the batter, then we have made the condition if it touches this color, yeah, the color of the bat. But if you closely look at it, the color of the bat is here also, and that's why the ball is touching this color as well. And also if you look at the pant of the batter, this color is present in the pant also. Yeah, that's why it is doing some kind of glitch effect. And let's remove this one, remove these colors from here and here, and we will only put the orange type color in the top of the bat only. For that, let's select the brush tool and let's pick a color of the hand. Yeah, and let's just color this part like this, and this part also. So this is the same color as the bat, that's why it is doing something that we don't want. And the first costume is done. Let's see the second costume. Here also let's color it like this, and this one also. Okay, the next one, this one here. Okay, the pant is done, and this one also, let's put it. And the last one is the fourth costume here, and here also a little bit. Okay, now let's see what happens. So all the characters costumes have been modified, and only the bat has that color that we want. Okay, let's see. The ball is thrown. Yeah, and let's see, let's try to hit the ball right now. Okay, it's not hitting the bat. Is it hitting the ball? No. Let's see one more time what's the mistake. Yeah, so I hit the ball, but the ball is going a little bit downward. Yeah, so for that, let's drag this batter a little bit downward. That's why I told you at the first we have to place the batter very carefully here. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is the position of the batter. I have to set the position here also in the go to XY. Let's go to the motions menu. So this is the current position of the batter, 128 and 17, and this was the last position, previous position. Let's delete this and let's bring this one. and let's see if we are able to hit the ball or not. Yeah. Okay, it's hitting the ball. Let's see one more time. And it's glitching a little bit again, so let's fix it. Go to costumes, and this is the sprite. Yeah, I think it has a little bit of that color of the bat. Is it because of this we saw the glitch? Let's see. Okay, the thing is done. Let's see one more time. Okay, now it's hitting the bat, but again we are seeing some kind of glitch. And let's make this bat swing a little bit. Let's make this bat little bit of wider surface area. For that, let's select the color of the bat, this one, and let's make the bat swing like this. This is the motion of the bat. Okay, let's see what happens now. Click in the green flag. Okay, we have hit the ball and it's still some kind of glitch again. Okay, for that let's move this bat a little bit downwards again, just a little bit up to here, and let's drag this current position again and delete the old one. Okay, now let's see the ball. Yeah, let's see one more time. So we are seeing still a little bit of glitch. Let me show you one more time. Yeah, that's the glitch. Here the ball seems to be jittering. So to solve that, let's go to the baseball sprite, and here we have got something problem. Yeah, so if it is touching this the color of the bat, then it is broadcasting the ball hit message, and here it is broadcasting a lot of messages. That's what the mistake is, I think. So for that it will just broadcast, let's make it broadcast just one message, ball hit message, then stop the whole script. For that, let's go to control block and go downwards, and we have something called stop all. Let's drag this below the broadcast ball hit message and select this script. So once it touches once the ball touches the this orange color, it will broadcast a ball hit message once, and then it will stop this script. Let's see if it works or not. Click on the green flag. Okay, I think it works. Yeah, one more time. Yeah, I was unable to hit the ball. Yeah, I think it works. So we have made the ball hit animation. Ball is able to hit, and ball goes in random place also. And what's left? Have we made the sound effect for ball hitting? No. Let's see. No sound effect. Let's make the sound effect of ball hitting also. For that, let's go to the sounds menu and search our sound. Go to effects, and which one? Yeah, this one, chord sound. Go to the chords tab, and we have to play the sound here. Go to sounds menu and drag a start sound and place it below the ball hit message. When I receive ball hit message, and we have to start the run sound. Let's see. Click the green flag, hit the ball. Yeah. And now let's implement the score also. Right now we don't have a score. Let's implement the score. For that, let's go to the variables menu and let's make a variable called SCORE, score. Okay, so right now the score is 0. Let's set the score. For that, let's go to the variable menu and drag a set variable below the set speed variable, and let's select the score variable here and set the score to 0 at first. So at first when we click the green flag, the score will be set to 0, and after that if we hit the ball, then we have to change the score. So for that, let's drag a change my variable block and place it below the glide block like this, and select the score variable, and it will change the score by 1 once it hits the ball. Let's see. Click the green flag. Right now the score is 0, and I hit the ball, then the score is 1. Yeah, and the game also has stopped. Let's not make the game stop here. Yeah, for that, what should we do? We need to make the pitcher throw the ball once again. For that, let's go to the pitcher's sprite, and there is something called when I receive throw ball. Yeah, so when we broadcast the throw ball, it will throw the ball again. So let's do that. For that, let's go to the back to baseball, and after we change the score, we will just broadcast the throw ball message here. Let's go to events for that and drag a broadcast block below the change score block and select throw ball or ball throw. Let's see. Throw ball. Yeah, so we broadcast throw ball and it will just throw the ball again. Let's see it works or not. Click the green flag. Hit the ball. Okay, wicket. One more time. Hit the ball. Yeah, again. Hit the ball. Score 2. Again. Score 3. Yeah, and that's how we make the ball throw again and again. And the last one we want to do is let's change the speed according to our score. Yeah, once our score starts increasing, we need to make the batting difficult. For that, we need to change the speed, or we need to increase the speed of the ball. Yeah, so let's do that. For that, let's go to the control menu and let's drag a forever loop right here below the set score block, and then let's drag if block like this, and the current speed, the default speed or the initial speed of the ball will be 10, and we will check the score here. For that, let's go to the operators menu, drag a greater than operator like inside the if block like this, and let's go to the variable menu and drag a score variable inside here like this. And right now we have just changed the score one at a time. On the next tutorial, we will change the score according to 4 or 6, which score the batsman will get. Right now we will just change the score by 1 only, and let's make if the score is greater than 2. Yeah, so if the score is greater than 2, let's set the speed of the ball. For that, let's drag a set my variable block inside here, inside the if block, and let's select the speed. So right now the current speed is 10. Let's make it to 11. Yeah, and let me just drag this block code here. So let's duplicate this if block again. Yeah, and if the score is greater than 4, let's make the speed 12. Again, duplicate this block like this, and let's make it, if the score is greater than 6, make the speed 13. So you can adjust yourself how much speed you want, and be very careful while selecting the speeds, setting the speeds. And let's see what happens now. Click in the green flag. Right now the speed is 10, score is 1. Oh my god, I hit the wicket. That's bad. I was trying to show you these speeds. Let's see one more time. What? How difficult is it to hit the ball? Let's one more time. Hit the ball. Score is 1. The ball again. Score is 2. Now if the score is greater than 3, the speed should be 11. Yeah, the speed is 11. Score 4. Now the speed is 12. It's the speed is 13. And like this we can make our game difficult according to the score. And that's it for the today's tutorial. Thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe, like and comment my channel or the video, and I'll see you next time. We will introduce sixers and 4, and we will also introduce the lives option here. See you next time then. Thank you.